Bluebird.
Kaya mapangit.
Wait, ayan si wait.
Wait!
Ano? Let's go. Let's go, babe.
Sa Pilipinas na. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Hey, what's up, man? What's doing, man? Hey, how's you doing? How's you doing? You are inside the boat. What do we have? Walang. Wala ka makita. There's nothing on the screen, man. Wala ka makita ready. I'm ready, wait.
Has a high likelihood of throwing a
Darna?
wrong stone in the room with the wrong item kept it in. That's only wrong. Okay, let's go.
Ay, first person to take. Di po ito ko.
Pwede pala ako mag-voice chat. Wait, you hear my voice chat? Anyway, I didn't hear it.
Disabled yung sa akin. Disabled yung sa akin.
Oh, seriously, you're suck. Okay, I'll grab the EMF.
Five Nights at Freddy's. This is wanna be.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna use? Ano mo use?
I don't know. Wait, how do I?
Come here, Gab. Come here. May items. May camera. May camera. May big camera na. Thermometer.
Okay, we got some light.
Photo camera. There's a photo camera.
Bro, there's a thermometer. Look at the thermometer.
Ako. Where?
Get it.
Get your flashlight, man. Get your flashlight.
Flashlight, where's flashlight?
Dito.
Okay. I think
You
it's
should read this objective. You should read this objective.
Help me in line.
Oh, sige.
okay. Ano ba to? What is this? What is this, man? What is this? Of the car. Okay. A team before you conducted some investigating before your arrival. The ghost name is Linda Linda. What the Mario is this? What type of Mario is this? Anyway, you should be able to use its name to anger it and generate some activity. Do you want us to die? Anyway, be sure to check your journal and track your evidence. Good lucky. No, I don't like Jesus. Use a cursed object in the location. Get the ghost to trigger a trail camera and capture a photo of the ghost. How are we gonna picture a ghost? I don't know. Let's ask it selfie. Okay. Very good. Oh shoot. Total drama now. It be like a hit story.
Linda. Oh, Linda. Okay. Okay, red. Okay, let's go. Linda.
Just want to get you.
19.
We just want
19.
We just want to interview with you. So you can tell us your story. You can tell us your story. Wait.
Good to know.
Kapag nakikita mo yung process, so pinag mag-hide. Pinag-hide? Ay, hindi kaya. Can we find the closet para mag-hide tayo? Ayun, may closet. Pwede tayo mag-hide. Bubuksan natin yung closet.
This one.
Yes, yung Linda, are you here? I'm not going to make it.
Three.
What?
Three. Yeah. Three. Lumilipat. Three dito. Bakit lumilipat?
Okay, that's good. Let's
Zero.
Yeah, oh wait, I can see the ocean. Yung ocean.
Zero.
Okay, wala dito. Wala dito. Halika. Let's go back. Nagagalag yung game ko. Okay. Let's do what the... There's a applicable one. We can... What the heck was that?
It floated. It floated upstairs.
Linda, are you here? We just want to talk with you.
Ooh, exercise.
Stop.
Linda, yeah.
I really want to check. Please, I'm coming to the vision. Guys, use the vision.
Three.
Wala ako natakot.
What the thing?
There's another closet. There's another closet. There's another closet.
Go.
There's a ritual. There's a ritual.
Where?
Wait, is there a ritual?
Yes, this is the ritual.
The panda. The
knew it.
baby.
And if
We
you
shampoo bottle. Even to shampoo bottle with it.
Wait, open this a bit.
Baby is tuning.
Wait, nasaan ka? Ayun pala. Gab, hintay mo ako, hintay.
No, it's just a baby doll. What do you need?
There's so much blood.
Baby sugar no more.
There's another. There's nothing in here. What the heck? There's nothing in here. Let me close it. Okay, good. We need guys up in the. Oh, wait, there's a.
Oh, toilet paper. Shampoo toilet.
Jump scare.
Okay, so toilet paper.
Okay, let's go downstairs. Wait, Rita, where are you?
Go downstairs, bro. Go downstairs. Ah!
Yes, mission. Para ano? Kung nag-give up this.
Heck, mamatay na lang.
May narinig ko. Yung ano, yung tubig. Turn off.
Is there dirty water? Is there dirty water?
Oh, kala ko.
Bro, it's right now. Is there dirty water?
I didn't see anything that close, but there's no one around here.
What is this ghost called?
Linda.
Linda, are you here? Linda. Guys, where are you? Baka maiwan mo ako.
Wait. Oh, it's just...
Halika.
Baka nasa labas. 3 ulit. 20.
Linda, are you here?
3.
Use me camera.
I use SLS camera.
Oh my gosh, no.
I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything.
Sam, I can't even see.
Hello? Please come out. Balik na naman ako sa upstairs. Wait, babalik na naman tayo. Linda, wait. Linda, here. Wala po. There's some.
I'm using Spirit Box. Where are you?
Linda, are you here? Nasaan si Linda? Linda. Yes, sir.
Ako yun.
I'll check. Okay. Makikita ka. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Guys, we should go backstairs. Go downstairs. We should go back downstairs. We need to check the objectives. Kung natin the same. And then let's check the objectives. If nakikita yung lista. Kasi wala naman ako kasi nakita yung Okay. Let's check the objectives. Ay, di namin natapos. Okay. Wait, switch natin yung EMF. Ikaw mag-EMF, tapos ako ng
Check the SLS camera.
Okay. opening the, I'm still opening the, guys, did someone turn, oh, there's someone turn off the light. Linda, are you here? Oh, maybe it's just you. Linda. Okay, there's nothing in here. There's literally nothing in here. Okay, good. Oh, I see the ghost! Oh, guys, nakita ko yung ghost.
Where?
The anomaly detected. Oh, Gab, nasan ka?
Where?
The anomaly detected. Don't to the ghost. Kapag tatakbo tayo, punta tayo sa...
Wait, let me look at the box.
Linda, is that you? Can we? Bro. Wala. Okay. Wala dito. Halika. Dito. Dito mo, sa in front. In front ng camera. Dito sa ano.
Ano?
Nakita ko yung... Sino? Oh, where are you? It's in the door. It's inside.
Wait, there's a door? Let me see.
Linda, did you turn on the EMF? Actually, wala akong kita. Wala akong kita. I think it's right there. Wait, wala. Huh? What's it? What's so much weird? I'm so confused. Okay. I'll move back. Step back muna ako. I'll back.
Nothing yan.
Ano po lang kayo? Ano naman ako yung Lolita, are you here? Okay. Okay.
Pwede na wala naman.
Oh, we'll go downstairs. Linda, are you here?
No, are you here?
Wala akong makita. But it seems there's no one's here. It seems wala dito. Linda. Ang weird naman. Guys. Okay. Balik tayo sa inyo. Wait. Wala naman ghost detected.
I closed it.
Yeah, where's the door?
Linda.
Ano yun? Boy lumulutan.
What?
What the heck is that? Is that a garbage?
Okay, let's check. Guys, check that. Okay, it seems no one's in here. No one's in here in this house. So, mag-journal na tayo. So, it seems wala na. So, we didn't use the EMF, and then we didn't use the code. I'm not sure. So I used the SLS anomaly. Tapos, yun lang. Kasi hindi natin nag-use eh. EMF 5. This freezing temperature. I guess it was a battery or something.
Bumalik kami. Balik kami.
I think it was a battery. I think
Siguro?
Kasi kita. Let's go to another map. There's no one here in this house. Okay,
Ako din. I don't think we did it. Nagmamahal ko ng pagkain. Nagugutom na ako.
Okay, another kasi yung bahay na ito dito good. Let's switch
Wala pa. Wala pa hindi ba?
Let's try the abandoned house, by the way. Let's try abandoned house. Di ba na investigate natin yung kapag wala agad yun. Kasi di ko na kasi na makita yung detected. So, hindi talaga yun. Oh, wow! Oh, wow.
Yes, you run any place.
Oh, this is gonna be medium. The medium. This is gonna be the medium. Medium mode, guys. Okay. Red. Okay.
Video camera, thermometer, flashlight.
Okay, I'll grab the camera back. Okay. I'll be the objectives. Let's see before you completed some investigating before your arrival. The ghost is Anna Catholic. Anna you should be able to use its name to accurate and generate some activity. Be sure to check your journal and interact with your evidence. So this is the get under ano yun? What that is?
1 degree Celsius.
Okay. Your team's advisor get the goal to trigger a trail camera. Where did you get the EMF? Guys, look at this house. Are you able to
This house reminds
are you here? We need to find the closet para mag-fight tayo. Oh my gosh, it's
library.
There's a library. Guys, the lights are moving.
Where are you from? Where the heck is the library?
Oh, that's pala kayo. That's pala kayo.
It's just a beep.
Have you guys found the closet for the hiding spot? Anna Kathleen, are you here? Oh my gosh, ang creepy na itong picture na to ah. Oh my gosh, ang creepy.
Man, the pictures were kind of creepy, man.
Oh my gosh. What am I supposed to do? Nagtagpa talaga ako.
Bro, I want to look at the second floor.
Second floor? You got, oh, nakita mo yung closet? Look, oh my
Yeah,
god,
the
guys.
second floor, follow me.
May lumulutang. May lumulutang yung... It's a floating doll.
Where are you?
Kathleen, are you here?
Careful, please.
Oh nga, you found the closet. You found the closet, nice. Anna Kathleen, are you here? Okay, it's just the Anna Kathleen, are you here? Oh, there's another closet, nice. May third floor pa. May third floor pa.
Yeah, may third floor.
Oh, may third floor. Meron siya. Dito yan, dito yung third floor.
Let's go to the third floor.
Okay, dito yung dapat pa. Anna Kathleen, are you here? That's why you're so freaking freaking weird. It's freaking weird.
That's gonna kill it.
What do you mean?
That's definitely gonna kill it. That is gonna kill it.
Bro, was it me or just this reminds me of Resident Evil?
I don't know.
Okay, can you camera?
So, then are you here? Please come on wherever you are. We need to talk. We need to interview. It seems there's no one here. It seems there's no one here.
Let's go. Let's go.
I can't say.
Kapag gumagalaw ang teorya, screw it.
Wait.
I think this goes into the first one.
Captain, are you here?
Ay, ikot pa yun.
What's up? Oh, something.
Wait, stop.
Captain, are you here?
Locked off. Start.
Yes.
There's a thing.
TP. Sound TP.
Oh my gosh.
TP.
What?
What is this?
Ay, na naman.
Hello, is that? Hello?
Hindi.
Ba to or hindi? Statue ba yan?
Wala, boy.
Ito talaga statue? Oh my gosh, ako takot din.
Takot. Ito. Ito na. Yeah. Ah, ito.
Does this reminds me of our old house or what?
Pre, abandoned nito.
Yeah. When people died, some old people died and that house was still there.
pala yun.
Sige, babalik ko sa, sa van kasi baka gumala yung malaki na yun. Yung deer.
Okay. Wait, switch natin yung switch natin yung hanapin natin yung may nako. Bakit nag-vlog ako? Oh my gosh, dahil sa madaming details. It reminds you guys when area. Just a process.
Nandito po yung switch.
Gotta play this guys. Oh, it's a closet. It's just a closet. Another closet. Wala makita yung ano.
The closet. Daming closet naman to.
Makita yung are you here?
Hindi ka man.
Captain, are you here? Well, may problema yung flashlight ko. Bigyan ko lang dyan. Wait.
Lala.
I-turn mo yan, ano, you need to turn on the
Putik, boy.
She's there. Captain, are you here? Nasaan ka?
I turned on my SOS cover over.
Stop tayo. Captain, are you here?
Bakit may sayang? Sayang yung rating.
Wait lang. Wala makikita guys. Kaya na-confuse talaga akong game na. Please someone fix this game. Mga i-appear na din ghost na.
Hey. Oy, taiwanan niyo ako! Help! Help, I'm stuck! Boy! Oh, there you go. Boy! Hey! Oy, boy!
Are you serious?
Boy, yung flash niya hindi gumagana.
What did he? Let's check the objective.
Sa'yo yung gumagana.
Okay. Oh my gosh, damn.
Mata.
Okay. Guys, meron tayo idea. Let's make may idea tayo, guys. We need to talk about it. So, all we got to do is we need to split up together. If there's anything of investigating or something, mag-split out tayo. Gusto mo mag-split together? You want to split?
Yeah.
Mag-split tayo, guys, ha? At ako din, kahit saan ako pupunta. Kayo mag-isa, isa tayo. Tayo mag-isa, para single muna tayo. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, kasi so, nag-split kami ni Clarence, pati si Gabriel, para
First floor na lang ako. Wala ba sa exit?
Wala ako makita yung then
Guys, first floor,
There's a duct tape
nakakatakot.
again.
Butik.
wala makita yung ghost.
Wala kang kakakita. Be careful, Gab. Wala dito. Ano yan? Ew.
Hello?
Okay.
There's another thing, this thing again, like, is that you? Is that you, Anna? I heard something. I found it! I turned off the water, pinatay ko yung water. Hello? Wala talaga makita. Guys, mag-split tayo ah.
Guys, yung kamay ko. Guys.
Ako mag-isa mag-check ng objectives.
Guys,
Kayo dalawa, mag-split kayo para hanapin mo yung investigating. Kayo dalawa.
check mo at least yung cameras, okay?
Kasi, ang ganun kung bakit talaga cute talaga naman ako. Okay, nice. Get the ghost to trigger trail camera. Oh. Use camera.
Use the camera. Nandyan.
Okay, I'm checking it. Checking, guys. I'm checking it.
Nakakatakot naman to. Hindi ka na gumagana. Tape.
Wala ba talaga makita? Wait lang. Is there anything investigating, guys? Oh, wait.
Okay.
Okay, so this is it. Oh my gosh, it makes me so stressful kapag hindi natin naghanap ng ghost. So magmamap na naman tayo ulit.
Oh my goodness. Akala ko nakita ko yung ghost.
Wait, nakikita mo?
Hindi, akala.
Linda, are you here? I mean, oh my gosh, kamali na naman ako. Anna, are you here? Anna, Kathleen, are you here? Anna, Kathleen, are you here? Show yourself.
Nasa akin yung
Show yourself.
Nobody detected.
Nakikita mo? Wait. Fire natin. Let's go.
It's beeping when I go near it.
Halika. Gosh, I'm tired. Kathleen. Nasa stairs yun eh. Di ba nandito siya?
Wait. What the?
Kathleen, are you here?
Oh, again, sorry.
Kathleen, are you here? Hanapin mo yung ghost detective.
Tatlo.
Keep detect it.
Okay. Nice.
Around the map. Just around the map. Still here.
Are you sure, bro?
Kathleen, are you here? Oh, I found it.
Ano?
Where?
I found it. Nasa kitchen.
Kitchen, sorry, kitchen.
Kathleen, are you here?
Where?
The lights are moving. Look, the lights are moving. Nagsiswing. Yung ilaw nagsiswing.
Gab, dito ko ilagay, baka masita
Okay,
mo
bro,
na.
okay, bro.
Ayan, ganun. Kasi baka masita mo dyan mo.
I knew it.
Wait, nawala. Na naman. Wala naman.
Bro, I see that light. They're swinging. I see it.
Saan? Oh, yan!
In the fireplace.
Red, keep detecting.
Nakakapagod.
I said I see a spinning light bulb in the fireplace.
It's actually balls.
Where is he? Kathleen, are you here?
Nandito ka ba, Kathleen?
Kathleen, are you here? Please show yourself.
Nasaan ka ba, Kathleen? Kathleen, nasaan ka na, Kathleen? I'm stuck on the table again, dang it. Okay, check ko na yung camera. Baka gumala yung mannequin na yun.
It's still here. Kathleen, are you here? Please show yourself.
Ay, bukit.
Please show yourself, Kathleen.
Boy, baka nandyan ka? Boy.
Kathleen, are you here? Please show yourself.
Boy, baka mamatay ka, boy. Hindi, faithful yan.
Kathleen.
Kita. Yo, what's up, bro?
Wait. Wala ka makita. Red. Are you still find those?
I can't find. There's no anomaly detected.
69, nice.
Oh my gosh.
Buksan ko na yung power.
Lalabas na ako dyan I'm going outside now.
Oh, sorry.
Bro! Stop talking!
Sorry.
I'm going back inside. I'm going back inside. Okay. I'll use the journal. So we use EMF 5 and SNS. May use shade or something or vault or banshee.
Wait. What is that item evidence again?
May EMF 5 level 5 but the
Wait, did you use EMF level 5?
Yes, pero konti.
Okay, that's a less anomaly.
Yes.
And what's next?
Yun lang. So
It's just it says only banshee, shade, and boom.
Okay. Ako yung vault. Ano sa'yo? Shade or banshee? Para pili. Isang pili lang. isang pili.
Man, I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna choose Banshee or Shade. I don't know.
Maybe
Maybe
Shade.
I can choose all the
Pero
Shade.
Shade. You should choose Shade or Banshee. Just one only.
Maybe it's a Shade. Maybe it's a Shade.
Ikaw naman, Gabriel, sa Jordan. So, SLS anomaly pati MF5. So you click the Banshee. You click the Banshee. Okay.
Maybe it's the Banshee.
Okay. Hold yata. Okay. Ako yung
Maybe
hold.
it's Gold.
Okay.
Same as maybe Shade. I'll be the one.
Okay. Click mo yung click mo yung click nyo yung live match.
Leave match.
Let's see kung save or not. Oh, yung save ba?
Yeah. Oh, tama.
Hello, hello everyone.
Okay, last okay guys.
Okay, last map and we're good.
And we're good now, okay? Try natin yung house. Yung house naman, yung first na previous video na kami ni Jen.
Oh yeah.
Contract na. Also contract. Then start na ako dyan.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's running very fast. Trail camera.
Ako yung SLS camera. So, we are the most house again.
I'm still loading.
Oh, you're still loading. Oh, I'm not lagging anymore.
Wait, let me find it. I lose this. That was half. Alright, that's it.
And then,
Right.
let's, okay, I'll crouch and then we clear box here. At saka may camera pa. May camera pa. Okay, camera. See, okay, the ghost name is Elizabeth Louise. And then capture all of the ghosts and then prevent the ghosts from hunting with the crucifix. Wait, nandito ba yung crucifix? Nandito ba? Patay tayo dyan.
Man, you forgot the crucifix. What the heck?
I didn't buy the crucifix kasi wala ako talagang pera po eh. I didn't.
Sam, I don't have Robux.
Oh my goodness talaga.
Bro,
Okay.
I'll get the bigger camera. And
And then, crazy ba yan? Crazy ba yan? Or cleanse. Okay, cleanse. Cleanse the ghost room with an increased burner.
Instant burner, not increase.
Let's go now. Yeah. Ito, this is it. Ayan, now we're talking. Yeah, box.
Right. First, let me take the lead.
The gaming room. Oh, I know the gaming room. Yeah, you see the gaming room. It's nice.
Wait, let me see. I just see that.
Look at the gaming room.
Now we can play Resident Evil.
Now we're talking about.
Bro, what does me? I would like to make my gaming room into the bottom the master right here.
I didn't see anything, guys. Tapos green, naga-green, ano. I just heard the clock sound. Hello, are you here, Elizabeth Louise? Kayatang wala talagang. Dito yung nakaspawn yung ghost man eh. Dito yung nakaspawn yung ghost. Oo, napatay ka, di ba?
Yeah!
Dito siya eh. Nagsaspawn siya. Galing sa bato. Tapos namatay ka na. Alam mo ang ano nito yung ghost na previous video na to? And there's a picture of the mouth without eyes. Look at that's a figure. That's a
Why
figure.
does it like figure from doors?
Bakit may chill guy dito, boy?
No, I see the meme. I see a meme there. Absolutely. James, are you here?
Yeah. I was trying to find the other.
Bro, I just see something in the refrigerator of the big princess. Absolute cinema.
Bro.
Did you see that? James, did you hear that?
Yeah, I didn't see anything. Nahanap ko talaga ito.
Refrigerator, I spit. Didn't even hear me.
Bro, nahulog yung ano, pen. Nahulog talaga yung pen.
Yeah. Negative 10. Ano boy? Balik na.
No, you forgot your endless camera, James.
Nandito pa din yan. Nandito pa din.
Oh, okay.
Just try to find this thing, bro.
Right, I got that in your camera.
Hello? Elizabeth Louise, are you here? Elizabeth Chan?
What the heck?
Shut up.
Okay, I'll check the objective. Wala pa dito objectives? What the heck? Wala pa dito objectives. Okay. Wala pa din yung naka-complete yung ano. Hello? Are you here, Elizabeth? Elizabeth Louise, Elizabeth Louise, Elizabeth Louise, are you here? Are you here, please? Please come out wherever you are. Please come out wherever you are. Are you here, Elizabeth? We want to interview with you. Elizabeth, are you here? Elizabeth, are you here? What if I hi? Are you here, Elizabeth? turn on pa din yung ano. Oh, I found something, guys. I found something. May shadow. Elizabeth, are you here? Elizabeth, are you here? Please come out.
Elizabeth.
Nandito po din. Nandito siya. Use the EMF, Red. Use the EMF.
No, don't know the EMF.
Ako.
Nandito. Hanapin mo yung ghost na nakaspot dyan. I told you. Elizabeth. Coming from there. Dito tayo nga.
Wala na.
There's the upstairs. May stairs. Guys, nakita ko yung stairs.
I already saw the stairs first.
Ito. Hello, are you here? Are you here, Elizabeth?
Nakita ko to muna.
Elizabeth, Louise, are you here?
Split box first.
Birthday.
Oh my god. Elizabeth, Louise, are you here? Oh my gosh,
Oh, okay.
What? Wait a
Yep, nahulog.
Elizabeth, Louise.
Na naman.
What the heck, man?
Nawala na naman, boys.
Nawawala na naman, ha?
How is that even possible?
Screw it, we're going downstairs.
Elizabeth, wait, I hear. Please come out.
Ito.
I'll grab something.
Ako.
Kinuha ko yung ano, kinuha ko yung...
I heard knocking.
You heard someone knocking?
Yeah, that's the kitchen.
Gosh, keep looking at it.
What about? See, yeah. Wala na boy. Naglag. Apple juice. Naglag.
Apple juice. What different?
Grabe naman ito na. Ito, it was that. Did you die?
No.
Wait, what?
Nakita ko, boy.
Oh my god. No, I can't see.
James, stay there. Nandiyan kanina. Nakita ko yung maka. It's so black.
Louise, are you here? You say it.
Siya si Luis.
Elizabeth,
No,
are you
give me
here?
the camera because I need to see there.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Boy.
Alright.
Elizabeth, are you here?
Elizabeth, are you here?
Ano yun, boy?
Oh.
Boy.
Wait.
Boy.
What?
Boy, anin? Anin, boy?
No, are you here? No, see. Come out here right now. Show yourself.
She will. Bakit sinabi mo yan? Putik, sabi sa labas siya ulit.
Show yourself. What the heck are you saying? Show yourself. No, wala ko talaga makita. Okay. Just okay. I didn't check the ghost. What the heck? Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's in the picture.
Boy! Sa akin.
Sabi yung EMF tapos.
Fine, bro. Do your...
Hello? Yeah.
The Bubu doll looks eerie. Better not set him free. Meron daw Bubu doll dito. Better not set him free. I am going to screenshot every single surface. Hiya. I'm going to take a picture of every single surface. Hiya.
Did you hear this? Oh, someone's writing.
What is
The
it?
symbol.
Why is this speaking?
Some unknown symbol. Unknown symbol.
Are you here, Elizabeth? Elizabeth, are you here? Elizabeth, are you here? Elizabeth, are you here? Elizabeth.
Ay, putik. Puno na. Puno na yung ano. It's full. The video cam is full.
Are you seeing?
Yes. Buksan. Dapat walang power buksan to. Yung EMF boy.
Hello? Elizabeth, are you here? Wala dito siya.
Nasara yung pinto, boy. Boy, nasara yung pinto, boy.
All Hello? Elizabeth, please, are you here? Elizabeth, please, are you here? Elizabeth, please.
Oh, putik. Uy, bakit na finish ko yung MB?
Hello?
Okay.
Take a picture.
I can't, bro. I can't. Hey, yo. Survivor.
Take a picture.
No. Puno nga kasi.
Are you serious?
Puno nga yung kasi yung MB, boy. Let's just get out of here, man. We don't wanna. Let's just go, man. I don't really care. I don't even care that I didn't get a picture. We got the evidence, man. We got the evidence, man. Let's just get out of here, man.
I use the EMF 5. I use the EMF 5. Okay. So you use the spirit box, right?
No?
Okay, wala.
Bro, where the heck
May
are
five.
you guys?
So, we use the, walang stage. So, wala dito talaga stage. May fight core, may Nuke, may Revenant, or may Strigoy. May Strigoy pa.
Ano?
Where are you?
Ano mga choices?
EMA 5 lang. EMA 5 lang. I-use ko.
James, where the heck are you?
Nasa truck ako.
Ghostwriting, yeah.
Ghost Riding.
Wait. Let me go to the back to the truck and then
Use natin.
journal. Open the journal. Bro, do
What?
the journal.
Fight core ba or
Bro,
Revenant?
what is the active evidence?
EMA 5 pati Ghost Riding.
Human find, ghost shopping,
Shade.
Wala dito yung we didn't see the, SLS. Hindi yan tayo. Only EMA 5, Ghost Riding.
Oh,
May Revenant, pati
there's Page Cooler. There's Page Cooler. And
pati
the
Revenant.
Revenant ang boy.
No. I choose the Fate core, pati
I choose
Revenant.
the Page Cooler also.
Okay. Are we sure about this? Because kasi yung
No, it's gonna be sure.
I can see it. Oh. Pinili ko picture! Bakit pinili ko picture? Kasi mas familiar sa akin yung Mega.
Did we take a picture of those?
Hindi.
Diyos kayo, bakit kasi pinipicture mo agad yung ghost? My goodness. By the way, guys, want to play please,
Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed this,
This guy here is keeping it toilet. And see? Sayonara. Kongale. Uy, parang Pilipinas dito.